In this video, guys, I'm going to give you 5 tips if you want to start with affiliate marketing if you are a complete beginner. So tip number 1 is promote valuable products. In here, it's better to promote high ticket products because you can make more commissions. Because when you promote high ticket products, you can earn $500 or more in commissions. And also, in this tip number 1, it's better to buy the product to use it. Because once you have used the product, you are going to know if this is a good product to promote it. Okay. Tip number 2 is build your own brand. So having your own domain, your own email, your own opt-in page, it's going to help you succeed with affiliate marketing in the long term. Because some people just send traffic to their affiliate links, and sometimes the affiliate companies can shut down their affiliate programs. And if you are just sending traffic to the affiliate link, and if the company shut down the affiliate program, you need to start all over again. Instead of building your own brand, your own YouTube channel, your own TikTok, your own Instagram, you're going to have your own audience. And once you have built that up, you can promote valuable products to your audience. So tip number 3 is to be persistent. Because succeeding with affiliate marketing, it takes time. I remember when I started in 2017, it took me basically 1 year to get my first commission. And I was just uploading videos on my YouTube channel. I was uploading 1 video per day, and I just keep going, and I was checking the stats, the clicks, and the leads. And after 1 year, I get that commission. And after that commission, I was making commissions every month. So this is critical if you want to start with affiliate marketing. Tip number 4, build your own list. So this is critical because let's say that you have your own YouTube, your own TikTok, and suddenly, so those algorithms can shut down your channels, and then you need to start all over again. And basically, if you have your own audience inside of this email list, you can send traffic to multiple affiliate offers. And also, you can tell your own email list that subscribe to your new channel, TikTok channel, or YouTube channel. So that is why it's so important to build your own email list. So basically, you can lose your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, but if you have your list, you can tell those people to subscribe to your new channel. So that is why the tip number 4 is powerful. And tip number 5 is to don't quit. So basically, when you start with affiliate marketing, let's say that we have a graph here, time and results. And at the beginning, you are going to put a lot of time. Like, you are going to need to work, you are going to need to build your 24/7 sales system, create content, create video content, or if you want to build your own blog, write blogs, and you're going to have little results. But you're going to, let's say that when you start, you are going to have little results. But then, if you keep working and you keep creating content, those results are going to increase. And that is why it's important to don't quit, because if you quit and you are just quitting and starting out, it's going to take you more time to get those results. So basically, you need to keep creating content so you can build momentum. And once you have built this with little effort, you are going to have massive results. But you need to work to get that momentum. So I hope that this information helped you if you want to start with affiliate marketing. I have been promoting a high ticket affiliate marketing training. The name is Freedom Accelerator, and it has a challenge. The price is $9. If you want to get access to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch using the strategy that is called the 5-second silent method. Silent method, in which you can create videos between 5 and 15 seconds without talking. If you want to start, you can click the first link in the description, because this is a like a cool way to start affiliate marketing, because you don't need to talk, you just need to create these videos. But there is a framework that you need to follow, how to create different types of content using this strategy. And then once you have momentum, you can add more things into your affiliate business. For example, writing blogs, create create long form videos, because that is a powerful way to bring more leads to your affiliate business. Creating long form videos on YouTube. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribing. God bless.